We're here in Decatur, Alabama, putting in a 17,000 gallon seawater system for turtles and fish. We're going to be making all the salt water that we use to change the water out and fill the tanks. All the water that goes into the tanks will start here as fresh water, get mixed with granular salt. This big black item here is a protein skimmer. It takes the proteins out of the water. This system right here takes care of mixing the salt water, keeping it at the right salinity. This is a whole separate system, much smaller, say 1,100 gallons for jellyfish. This is the exhibit side of the tank, all cardboarded off now until we open it up and everything. Next step is once all the remainder of the freshwater plumbing goes in for the rest of the building, we'll come back, we'll fill the system up and run it, and then we'll drain it, clean it down, and then refill it with salt water, and from then on it's up and going.
We want to make all of our experiences the best they can be for all of our guests.
Putting the scratch coat of concrete on today. This is one of several caves we've made throughout the country, but this is probably one of the biggest and most unique. So this is called a scratch coat. So this is a sand, cement, acrylic, and a fiber. So essentially, the feel and texture is going to be perfect. So this is to give it the strength. And then we come in with another several coats, and we start carving the concrete and recreating to actually make it look more like a rock.
Well, it looks like all detailing now, isn't it?
A lot of detail.
I have about 3 days to kind of come in and trying to develop some of the aesthetic for the flow stone in this main gallery room in the cave. I think it's an amazing thing that they're tying this all together as a component of, the overall museum. It's unbelievable.
Oh.